If you want to learn how to increase the font size of a text in Google Document, then this video tutorial is for you. So I'm in an empty canvas, of the Google Document file. So I'll type a word. I'm just going to type productive. And as you can see, the current font size of this word or text is 13 font size. Then if I want to increase the font size from 13 to something else, maybe 14 and upward, so the first thing I would do is to highlight the entire word, right? I'll come to this plus icon. Once you hover on it, you will see it says increase font size. So just click on it, right? It is 14 now, it's 15, 16, 17, 18. You can continue to increase it however you want. And increase it however you want. So this is basically how you increase the font size of a text in Google Document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.